down here I'm going to make a wash stand out of 2 pallets and these stakes, which I've put sharp in the end. Now you can use any sort of stakes will do from the wood pile. These are just flash ones I happened to scrounge from the timber yard. That's all I could get and it was all free. So I'm going to put a point on these. I'll show you how to do it. Hold it on an angle like that. Don't be hesitant. Snipe like that. And like that. So we have 4 of them. So this is the actual pallet wash station. It's already made. When these are knocked in the ground really securely. It's not that secure at the moment. It's not too bad, but and these need to be a bit tighter, but it's pretty good. So there you can hang up things. Here you put your basins on for washing up. So that's that. And that one just doesn't have to be tied on. That's for storing pots and pans and things like that. This is okay for a camp of 20 if people keep their pots and if people keep their cutlery and plates to themselves in their tents. Just have the pots here, that's it. Okay, so what we've got here is I'm going to make another wash stand. This is just made out of slab wood, or like I said, I scrounged these from the mill. They're good quality, but they don't have to be. Slab wood works well. And I'm going to make 2 frames like this, and I'm going to put them together with rubber bands. I'm going to show you how to do the rubber band knot. These people will help me. Hold that. You hold that. Yeah. So, come in closer so you can see the knot. 2 rubber bands together, maybe, might need more, we'll just see. You put it back behind there, take it over there, and you pull it around the back. There's no point in doing that because it's not holding anything. There, it's holding this wood together. Around there, that holds that wood there, and you pull it pretty tight and you get it nice and strong. There, and to finish it off you just loop it there. But if you haven't got one there, you can't do it. This is a little trick. You put this, tuck it under there, and Kai's onto it. He's got a little stick that you put a little stick through there, which is a twig or something like that, and there it is there. That is really strong. And I'm going to tie the rest of them together and you'll see that later. Okay, so this is the finished product of the wash-up stand. You've got here, you saw us, we made those frames and we've rubber banded these shelves on here, and the bottoms we could rubber band them on, but we could, so what, we'll do it later. This one here, up the top here, is really important, this one on an angle. It's a brace. If we didn't have that brace, it would be all floppy. We could even put a brace in there if we had to, but I don't really need to. If you're going to hold really heavy pots and pans and that, you probably need to put more rubber bands on, but that's all you need to do. That's basically the guts. Come and take one. So that's it.